Same battery, Galaxy A53, so I have a wall charger inside of here, as you guys can see as well. But we do have a 6.4-inch display, 1080 by 2340, and this display is going to be a Super AMOLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate, so we still have a really decent refresh rate on this device. And the display is going to be Corning Gorilla Glass 5, so that's nice to see. Also, we have a new material for the back of the phone, which I'm excited to check out. Same plastic sides, but we have a glass back on the Galaxy A54. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and pull this out of the box. As you guys can see, Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, Infinity O display, 50 megapixel triple camera with OIS, IP67 water and dust resistant. And we're gonna go ahead and put this phone to the side. This feels extremely premium this year because of that glass back. I can already feel it cold to the touch. Super excited about that. We'll put that to the side. Of course, on the back of this little box right here, we have a SIM ejector tool. And inside of here is, of course, going to be our USB Type-C to Type-C data cable. We also have our quick start guide and safety and warranty information. But that is literally everything that we have in the box. And plastic off right here. Wow, so this color is very nice looking. So the back of this device is pretty minimalistic. I went for this violet color, absolutely beautiful. We have 3 other colors. We have lime, we have graphite, and of course we have white. But all we have is that Samsung logo right there on the back of this device, and of course we have our triple camera setup with our LED flash. Also, back of this device, I can feel it already, but this is a flat back, so this is going to feel a lot different than many of the other devices that you've used in this price range. Nice to see that here. Feels a lot more premium in the hand for sure. I can feel that glass back and it feels much heavier, but I feel like most people wouldn't even know the difference between this and a flagship device. Honestly, it feels extremely premium. We're gonna go ahead and test out our fingerprint sensor. There's our always on display. Let's go ahead and try this out though. So decently quick fingerprint sensor right there. Boom. So we have an under display fingerprint sensor on this, obviously. Going through the other stuff we have inside of here, of course, our Wi-Fi, sound, Bluetooth. We also have a power saving, link to Windows. We have our quick share, nearby share, eye comfort shield, dark mode, which we're going to go ahead and turn on straight away. We have our smart view, of course, so that's one of the features that everybody wanted to see on this device. Here are some other settings here as well. So also we can use Google Pay. Of course, let's go ahead and hop into this camera right here. Pretty quick shutter speed. Looks pretty decent. Looks pretty good. Very clear. The colors are decent on this as well. And I have no issues with this. So for a 4K video, we can go up to 2160p at 60 frames per second and HDR. So there's going to be HDR on this, which is great to see. And let's see how this looks. Alright guys, so the display on this looks amazing. This looks like a flagship device. The colors, the brightness, and everything looks great. So no one is going to have an issue with this display. It's going to be a beautiful display. Just heard the speaker and it sounds really good. So stereo speakers on this. Of course, we are using the headset and the bottom firing speaker. 3, 2, 1, go.